Ash, let's try the Intense 5. So, Cartel isn't bleaching anymore?
Huge power plant explosion in New York causes enough panic. People thought it was an alien invasion. I don't really wrong them still, John.
The Kardashian Christmas party. No, sir. When you have money, anything is possible apparently. But it looks nice though.
Looks real good.
Yeah, I wonder what B&J did for Christmas, Ash.
You probably won't even know. Two ladies died when the boat they were heading into Lime Key capsized. Really sad.
Finally holding the spot this week. The mother of the baby who was left in the car while she partied was charged. Jano, I still don't understand, like, how did you do it? Like,
How that's so important.
I don't get it. Jano Star. That's it for the Intense 5 for 2018. Remember to follow us on